Students, here we are meeting to know more about computers. Correct? We have seen the chapter more on Windows 7. What is Windows 7? This is an operating system. Then it is developed by a Microsoft company, and so many things we have learned about Windows 7. Correct? The features, the advantages, the silent features also. Now, in the book, the activity is given to write the CDs, burn the CDs, all that. But if you have CDs, do that activity. Otherwise, one more activity I have given here, I have mentioned here that you are supposed to do. Okay. Now, for that, open picture folder and create a new folder in it. Name it as flowers. Open any internet browser and type images of flowers in the address bar. Okay. Now, how you will proceed, all the things stepwise I have explained. Now, before we'll proceed, before that we will revise what is picture folder. Picture folder means on the computer this is inbuilt, means whenever operating system is loaded, this picture folder is there. Now in that, on the computer some pictures are saved, and you can see those pictures in the picture folder. Separate folder is there on my computer, either this PC or my computer, or from the search bar you can find out the picture folder. Okay. Now the second step here is open any internet browser and type images of flowers in the address bar. Third step is select images option from the top. Now whenever you will type any information which you want to see, all the websites are getting listed, but out of that, all means in that all the websites it will get displayed. But we don't want the information, we want the pictures, images. So click on the images option. Select any one picture, any one image. Save image in the subfolder flowers in the picture folder. Picture folder is the main folder, and here flowers is the subfolder. Like this, 4 images of flowers in it, you have to save it. Now what is next? Do not close any of these files. Observe the jump list on the taskbar. Check time and date. See, we have learned what is jump list. We have learned how to check or change date and time, and check the volume control for your device. That is, if you are working on the laptop or if you are working on the desktop, you can increase or decrease the volume. And peak option, that is, even though all other files are open, directly you can switch over to desktop. All other files which are opened, they will become transparent, and you can see the desktop directly with the peak option. All this we are going to do it step by step. See here. First of all, we will open the picture folder. How to open the picture folder? For that, either you click on the search bar and type picture folder, you'll get displayed it. Otherwise, this PC on the desktop, this PC or my computer icons are there. Click on that, so it will get open like this. In the picture folder, you have to create one more folder. Okay. Now here in this picture folder, already 3 different folders are there. Now in that, we are going to create one more folder. Now how to create one more folder in that? For that, take your mouse pointer on the empty area of the desktop and click mouse right button. After that, the first menu which is there on the left hand side, that you will get displayed. Out of that menu, drop down list or drop down menu, you have to select the option new, which is shown here in the first screen from the top. New option, which is shown with the red arrow. Correct? After clicking on the new, the second drop down option list will get displayed. Out of that, the yellow icon folders, you have to click on that to create the new folder. Got this? So step by step you have to proceed. See, the folder is created with the name flowers. Means here, whenever you are clicking on the folder option, it will create the folder, and it will on its own it will give the name, but we want to give our own name, that is flowers. So press backspace key and type the name, or directly you can type the name and press enter to confirm the name for the folder. So here we have given flowers. This is shown on the screen with the red arrow. Have everybody followed? Got it? Okay, now the basic thing we have done, that is creation of a folder. Now what is next? Now we have to open any internet browser. You open any internet browser, that is Google is there, then Microsoft Bing is there, or you open Internet Explorer. Okay, anyone you can open, and in the address bar you type images of flowers. So many images you will get, and the images option, see here, after the address bar there are some options. Okay, all images, photos, or so many other things. Out of that images options you have to select. So you will get displayed many images. Out of that, any one image you select according to your choice and click on that. So whenever you will click on that particular image, on the left hand side it will come in a big size, that particular image. Okay, now we want, suppose, the same thing, so we have to select this. For selection, what we will do, we will bring our mouse pointer on that particular picture which is shown on the right hand side, correct, and click mouse right button. So again it will show you the drop down list. Out of that, click on the option save image as. Okay, because we from here we want to save this in our another file in the picture folder, correct. You can take it in the picture folder, or you can take it in the Excel file, Word file, PowerPoint file, anywhere, wherever you want, correct. So click here on the save image as. Okay, after that, now do not close any file, but on the taskbar, the folder which you have opened, that is flowers folder, suppose it is not open, only the picture folder is open, go to picture folder. How you will go to picture folder? For that, from the taskbar, click on the picture folder. It is minimized and kept on the taskbar, which different files, folders which you have opened. Okay, so click on the picture folder from the taskbar, it will get open, and double click on the flowers folder, so that flowers folder will get open. Now this flowers folder is open here. See, it is empty, nothing is there in the flowers folder. See, it is showing the path. First it is picture folder, inside that one more folder, that is flowers, which is shown with the red arrow, correct. Now we are going to paste it here. Now all of you know how to paste it. For pasting, you have to use the keyboard keys or the options from the edit menu, file menu. Many different menus are there. Now go to edit and paste. Otherwise, click mouse right button and select the paste option. So whichever image is saved, that will get pasted here. See the same rows, it got pasted here. Got this? Now same way you have to select 4 different images. Okay, 4 different flower images you select. Now for that, again you have to go to the browser. So don't open the browser again. It is open already. It is minimized and kept on the taskbar. So simply click on the taskbar on that particular icon. Suppose you have opened Google, go to Google and it will get open. Click on that, it will get open. Like that, you copy 4 images. Similarly, save the 4 images of flowers in the flower folder. Got this? And after pasting it 4 images, do not close it. Okay, keep it open, because further few things we want to do along with these folders or files. Okay, now I think all of you have understood how we have saved the image and how we have pasted the image. Correct? Now it is very easy, you can do it. Now jump list. Now how to see jump list? Jump list means the list, it will show the list of that particular application or the program, how many different files we have opened. Now here on this screen for the Google browser, I have opened so many different files. So that file list is getting open and frequently it is getting used or it is getting opened. So that list is shown. Now in your case, if you have opened different websites for getting the images of flowers, that will get listed in the browser which you have opened. So try jump list. Not necessarily that you should open Google this only, or go to picture folder. There also if you'll click on the, but how to get the jump list? For that, on that particular icon, bring your mouse pointer and do right click, then only it will show you in the vertical manner. Otherwise horizontally it will show you how many folders or files are open. Understood? To get the jump list vertically, we have to click on that particular icon, do right click. Understood? Try the jump list. Now next is that click on the taskbar, date and time. See here, system date and time is specified. But if you want to see how the clock looks like or how the calendar looks like, if you want to change the time a little bit here and there, if you want to change the date or the format for date and time, that also you can change through this. For that, bring your mouse pointer on the date and time which is displayed on the taskbar. Click once. So on the screen you will get like this. From that you can change the date as well as time, and the format also you can change. Okay, now all these options are there on the taskbar. We have learned in the last class. Okay, now this is volume control. Volume control of your device. That option is shown here with the speakers. This volume control icon, if you will click, you will get this played this speakers or headphones, and you can change, you can increase the volume as well as you can decrease the volume. It is showing your volume is at which pitch. Okay, medium, high, or whatever it is. Okay, so you can have the control on the voice of your device. Then next is peak option. See, listen this carefully. Peak option is used whenever when different files are open and at the same time you want to see the desktop. Directly you want to move the control to the desktop instead of closing all the files. Okay, that is peak option is available. That's why peak option is available. Peak option is available on the taskbar at the rightmost corner at the bottom. Taskbar is already at the bottom of the screen. Now here in the first screen from the top, see the first screen, it is shown with the red arrow. It is pointing towards the right edge. Correct. And so small white dot is getting displayed. That is the mouse pointer. We have kept the mouse pointer on the area which is at the rightmost. That is peak option is available there. And just click once. Mouse left button, you have to click once. So whatever files and folders are open, see in the first screen picture folder is open. Okay, but if you will click there with the on the peak option, what will happen, the picture folder will get transparent, or it will disappear from there, and you can see the desktop. It is not disappearing, it is becoming transparent and more moreover you will get the desktop displayed in front of you. Correct? Have you got the speak option? I think all these options, like your on the taskbar, you have to try peak option, you have to try jump list, you have to try volume control, and then not only in this practical, but it is taught to you. You have learned it. So whenever you want, you can practice this. So by then, we have come to an end of this activity. I hope all of you have understood this activity. Try this activity, and if you have series, try to burn the series, try to write the series according to your choice. So whenever you will get the notes and whenever you will get the worksheet for this chapter, try to solve it and study well. Okay then, bye.